another edition of Painting at the Garage. So I'm here at Reliable Automotive in Miami, Florida, and I'm going to paint this reservoir for the windshield wiper washers that is placed just like a perfect still life on a table, ready to be a live windshield wiper fluid reservoir model. And so, a very confusing subject. It's nothing really makes a lot of sense as far as the design goes, and this kind of painting, you just paint one area and then continue painting other areas around, and it's bound to get very confusing, plus go very abstract, since if you draw it first, you can get the correct proportion, and but just doing it this way, you just kind of plod along and paint more areas regardless of where they're really supposed to be. And I try to do a background of various shapes, and then I also thought a jazzy signature would help with the balance of the work, and then boom, there it is, the water reservoir sitting on the table begging to be painted, and painting it, yeah, I did. Ta-da!